Many patients have read or they've heard that skin becomes loose after liposuction. This is often reinforced by what they've heard from their plastic surgeon too when they've gone for a consult, that it's better to take less fat than more. They're also told that they may have too much looseness in their tummy where they actually need a tummy tuck and have to have skin removed. Well, there's a big difference in the techniques that I use and I've developed that can cause skin to actually retract and become tighter during liposuction, not looser. All plastic surgeons and cosmetic surgeons out there, when they're learning liposuction, are taught to remove fat from the deeper layer, meaning if this is the surface of the skin, this is the muscle, and this is the fat in between, they're taught to stay down deep and not to come anywhere close to the surface of the skin. And when you do things this way, the skin and fat will sag if you're taking too much. The difference with what I do, and it's a very revolutionary thing, is that I'm sculpting right to the surface of the skin. I'm taking the entire layer, 80 to 90%, and when you separate the skin from the fat that's right below it, you actually allow that elastic material, which is skin, to contract because you separated it. And this is what happens when I do my skin tightening lipo. This is a very unique concept that I've been teaching now at different conferences for the last few years. The reason that I get much better control is, as I've already described earlier under interactive lipo, my patients are tensed. Their whole bodies are tensed when we're doing it, and everything is stretched tight so that when we do come close to the surface, we can control it and do it very completely and smoothly. If you look at a couple of my before and after galleries, my large tummy gallery, you'll see patients with 2 to 3 inch hangs on their tummy that are either going almost completely away or completely away. This is unheard of in the realm of plastic surgery. I'm doing arm liposuction with my celebrity arms that has the skin where it's hanging down a little bit here along with fat. I'm removing so completely and so well that skin pops right up, and you can see that in my celebrity arms gallery, the medium and the larger celebrity arm gallery. The other realm of skin tightening that a lot of people bring up is, what about the lasers? What about the ultrasound or the radio frequency devices that have been introduced in the last few years that are supposedly going to be able to tighten your skin? Well, I started off with a smart lipo laser a number of years ago, and it did nothing. Most doctors have abandoned it. The results that they have shown have been proven to tighten skin, but on such a microscopic level that you need a ruler with millimeters to measure what's happening. As I've said before, my skin tightening will take a hang of 2 to 3 inches and make it disappear in a matter of 2 days. So this is the big difference.